Sit on the floor, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with both your hands. Shift your hips forward to bring your heels as close to your body as possible. Lift your knees up and deliberately push down, using your elbows as levers to press your inner thigh down. Try to touch your knees to the ground on the downward stroke. Visualize the movement as fluttering of a butterfly's wings. Get into a quadruped position. Your knees may be together or slightly separated. This is the starting position. Inhale and raise your head and arch your spine so that the mid and lower back sink towards the floor. Expand your abdomen fully and fill the lungs with the maximum amount of air. Exhale while tucking the chin in. Push the mid and lower back upward and tuck the tailbone inwards at the end of the exhalation. Contract the abs. Come back to starting position and relax. Lie down on your stomach. Make sure your feet are together with the toes against the floor. Place your arms underneath the shoulders and ensure your elbows are hugging the ribcage. Separate your feet. Now, placing your body's weight on your palms, inhale and raise your head and trunk. Arch your back and make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. Inhale, slowly bring down your body, rest your chin on the ground, then forehead touching the ground, hands to your side and relax. Lie flat on your back with feet together. Stretch your arms out to the sides at shoulder level with the palms facing down. Bend the right leg and place the sole of your foot across the left leg and next to the left kneecap. Keeping the left leg straight, gently press your right knee towards the floor with the help of your left palm. Turn your head to the right and look at the right arm. Maintain the right shoulder blade on the floor. Strengthen the right knee and bend the left knee to place the left foot outside of the right kneecap. Keeping the right leg straight, gently press your left knee towards the floor with the help of your right palm. Turn your head to the left and look at your left arm. Maintain your left shoulder blade on the floor. Come back to the starting position. Sit tall in Vajrasana, placing the palms on the thighs just above the knees. Keep shoulders stacked above the hips and do not lean forward. Inhale, raise the arms overhead, shoulder width apart and elbows straight. Exhale and bend forward from the hips. Torso relaxes on the thighs. Palms face upwards and one side of your cheek is on the mat. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Inhale and roll the spine up back to starting position. Lie flat on the back with your arms comfortably away from your body, palms facing upward. A thin pillow or folded cloth may be placed under the head to prevent discomfort. Let the fingers curl up naturally. Move your feet slightly apart to a comfortable position and close your eyes. Relax your ears and eyebrows. Become aware of your natural breath and allow it to become rhythmic and relaxed. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Gently close your earlids with your index finger. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, make a loud humming sound like a bee. At the end of exhalation, breathe in deeply and repeat the process. Come back to the starting position. Sit in any comfortable meditation posture, preferably Padmasana. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against a wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair which has a straight back. Keep the head and spine upright. Relax your whole body and close your eyes. Your hands should be in the nose-tip position. Hold the fingers of the right hand in front of the face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger above the left. These two digits control the flow of breath in the nostrils by alternately pressing on one nostril, blocking the flow of breath, and then the other. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. At the same time, count mentally 1, 2, 3, or until the inhalation ends comfortably. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and while breathing out through the right nostril, simultaneously count 1, 2, 3. The time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Next, inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left nostril as you count 1, 2, 3. This is one round.